Okay, we are going to start the question. Question number
15.
question number 15. Okay, read the question. I am going to do the entries in pro forma of journal. Okay, read. Suspense account we are going to utilize what as like a making of our entries. Okay.
Rectify the following errors assuming A. That no suspense account has been opened with a difference in the trial balance.
These things you will do. Okay, I am going with the suspense account. Okay, beta? Yes.
B. That such a suspense account has been opened.
Okay, now start.
First,
We are going with the second account, second thing will happen. Okay, when will suspense account open? Next.
goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit were omitted to be credited to his account.
Goods costing 800. Purchase from
Sachin.
Sachin. And we are not going to enter in a Sachin account. This is what? If you are purchase beta, just see. So when we are going to make the Sachin account, entries about a purchase account debit to Sachin. It means buy purchase there, na beta? So buy purchase means buy. You have to write something. Okay? Omission is there. Omission is there. But we are entered what? On the place of this omission, now we are entered suspense account. Okay, beta? On the place of omission, we are entered suspense account. So entry beta. Suspense account debit to purchase. Write down. Suspense account debit to purchase. Suspense account debit to account debit to purchase. Amount beta 800.
Yes.
800. Okay, now clear. How I am going to utilize this suspense account for the making this entry? Okay, beta. On this way you utilize. Okay, next.
Goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit were credited to his account as
Just
80.
see 800
800 as 80.
as 80. On the place of again here buy sell something is there written purchase on what Sachin buy purchase they written on the place of 800 they have only entered 80. So we have to enter more what 7 or what we entered buy suspense. Okay beta buy suspense again make the entry suspense account debit to purchase na beta suspense account debit to purchase but amount suspense account debit to purchase but amount beta 720 720. Okay, we are going to correct these things. We have to write the entry with 800 rupees but we are entered only 80 rupees 720 more needed and that will be by suspense account. Okay, next.
Goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit were credited to his account as 880.
Okay, just again same. On the place of 800, we are entered beta 880. 80 rupees more. How we are going to cut? Something like this side. And what can write? To suspense account with the amount of 80. Now entry is what? Purchase account debit to suspense account. Right now. Amount beta?
The 80.
80 rupees. Clear? If any type of problem you are feeling beta, just make his account. Then very easy to understand what we are going to enter. Okay, next.
Goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit were posted to the debit of his account.
Okay. By the entry we have to post on the credit side. But wrongly we are entered on debit side purchase with the amount of 800. Okay. Again, two problems is there. One, we are not entered on the credit side. So first we are going to credit for the credit side. 800 printed what? For correction only. And second, wrongly we are going to enter which side? Then correct after this debit side, 800 more credit side. Then I equal beta. And that will buy suspense. So entry beta, suspense account debit to purchase. Write down. With the amount of 16. Clear? One fault is that you are not entered on the credit side. 800 fault is like that. First you entered the 800. Okay? And second is what? You are wrongly entered on the debit side. So then 800 correction and 800 wrong entered. Total amount is 1600. Okay, next.
Goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit were posted to the debit holder's account as 80.
As 80. Again, we have to enter on the credit side. But we are going to enter on debit side. 80 rupees. So first correction is 800. Now beta, buy suspense. And again same thing. But amount is what? 80. Plus 80. Then this same entry. Suspense account debit to purchase. But amount is beta 880. Amount is 880. Understand? Okay, next. Finish. Go for the next question.
Rectify the following errors assuming that suspense account was opened. Ascertain the difference in
This question is clear? What is all entry or not? Finished? Okay. Then go for the next. And next is 15, 14,
16.
16. Okay, start.
Rectify the following errors assuming that suspense account was opened. Ascertain the difference in trial balance. Credit sales to Mohan 7,000 were recorded in purchase book. However,
Credit sell to Mohan. Okay, beta. So then entry. First finalize the entry in your mind. Credit sell to Mohan means Mohan account debit to sell. Okay. And then we are going to make the Mohan account. Okay. Now read. Credit sell to
credit sale to Mohan 7,000 were recorded in purchase book. However, Mohan's account was correctly debited.
However, Mohan account is correctly debited. Okay. Mohan account is correctly debited. But we are entered in which book, beta? In purchase book. Then it is what? Wrongly entered beta na in purchase book. So purchase book will credit. Is to sure? Wrongly entered in the purchase book. So purchase book will credit. Sure. And main entry is your main entry is Mohan account debit to sales. But Mohan is right. So we are what using? Suspense. On the place of Mohan, what we are using? Suspense account debit to sales to purchase. Write down. Suspense account debit to sales to purchase. Suspense account debit to sales to purchase. It's clear? Okay. Next.
Credit purchase from Rohan 9,000 were recorded in sales book. Goods returned to Rakesh. However, Rohan's account was correctly credited.
You are missing two.
Yes, sir.
Again.
Credit purchase from Rohan 9,000 were
Okay.
recorded in sales book. However, Rohan's
Credit purchase from Mohan, Rohan. Okay. So first entry is main entry is purchase account debit beta. Purchase account debit to Rohan. Okay. Rohan will credited right. Okay. But we are going to enter is which book? Sales book. Okay. on the place of this suspense. Okay? And wrongly in sales book balance beta. Sales book balance is credit. Now here, debit, just opposite. So sales account debit. Sales account debit, purchase account debit to suspense. Sales account debit, purchase account debit to suspense. Sales account debit, purchase account debit to suspense. Done? Okay, go for the next.
Goods returned to Rakesh 4,000 were recorded in sales return book.
It's a purchase return. So then entry is Rakesh account debit to purchase return. Rakesh account debit to purchase return. But we are entered in which book? Sales return. And sales return balance is debit, but here credit means to sales return, and on the place of this suspense. Account debit. No interest clear. Amount to amount.
The 4,000.
4,000 here, 4,000 and 8,000. Okay, beta. Suspense account debit to purchase return to sales return. Suspense account debit to purchase return to sales return. Done? Okay, go for next.
Goods returned from Mahesh 1,000 were recorded through purchase return book. However,
Okay.
Mahesh,
However, it's the sales return. So entry is sales return account debit to Mahesh. Mahesh beta.
yes, sir.
Return account debit. Account debit to Mahesh. But entered in a where?
Return book.
Purchase return book. So purchase will debit beta.
Yes, sir.
I am going with shortcut. Purchase return balance is credit, but here debit. And on the place of Mohan, and amount
1,000.
okay. Next.
Goods returned to Naresh 2,000 were credited through purchase book. However, Naresh account was credited.
In purchase book, first write on the right entry. Goods returned
Naresh.
to Naresh. It means it's what? Sales return. So entry beta, sales return account debit to Naresh. Sales return account debit to Naresh. Okay, but entered in purchase,
Yes, sir.
and purchase book is balance is
Debit.
so sales return is there on purchase return. Sales return.
Yes, sir.
But wrongly entered is where?
So goods returned to Naresh.
Two Naresh is there.
Yes.
It means this purchase return. Okay. Naresh account debit to purchase return. Okay, beta? But entered in purchase book. Purchase book balance is debit. Now here to purchase account, and on the place of Naresh amount 2,000. Done?
Yes.
Next.
Over.
Over? Okay. Finish it and finalize it. This is the way by by which we are going to utilize the suspense account beta for the making our full entry, because in every entry we needed some debit and some credit, and in single entry system we have only debit or credit. For the making of entry form we are going to utilize the suspense account. I will say after the closing of account, the difference amount in trial balance transfer in a suspense account, and then next year we are going to finding that error and correct that error by this suspense account. Okay, clear?